Hello students, now let us see the next method of preparation, that is by hydroboration oxidation. This is quite important method student for preparation of 1 degree alcohols. Let us see. So first of all, what is happening student? Diborane BH3 twice. BH3 twice means what student? If BH3 twice is there student, so its formula is B2H6. So it is the diborane reacts with alkenes to give a trialkyl bolane. Okay, to give trialkyl bolane as an addition product. This is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in the presence of aqueous sodium hydroxide. So like that, propene is there student. This is reacting with the diborane. So how the reaction is taking place student? The hydro BH, how BH2 HBH2 is written, HBH2. This is getting added with the propene, and then it is giving again with this propene, with this, that is one more propene is getting added. So it is giving what student? That is CH3 CH2 CH2 dialkyl borane, and then again one molecule of CH3 CH2, that is trialkyl borane, which in the presence of sodium hydroxide and H2O2 it oxidized to propane 1R and BOH3. Okay, so this addition of borane to double bond takes place in such a manner that boron atom gets attached to the sp2 carbon carrying greater number of hydrogen atom, the alcohol. So the form looks as it has been formed by the addition of water to the alkenes is a way opposite to Markovnikov rule. In this reaction, alcohol is obtained is excellent yield. Okay, this is an excellent product. Okay, so now what we are going to do, student, we are going to summarize this equation with the in better way. So let us try to understand, student. We are talking propene, student, that is CH3 CH is there and it is react CH2. This is propene and it is reacting with diborane. So diborane, how we are writing, student? We are writing HBH2 twice. HBH2 twice means it is BH3, actually BH3, but I am writing like this. So what will happen, student, in this step? You see, this is the CH3, then we are having CH. Okay, and this bond we are just separating, single bond we are separating because we are supposed to form a bond here. So what is CH and here is CH2. With this CH2 group, student, with this CH2 we are adding BH2, and with this CH group we are adding H, right? And here is the bond is there as it is. So what will happen, student, in this step? What will happen? That this product will form, student, that is CH3, okay, CH2 and BH2 will form, student. Okay, CH2 BH2 will form, and this BH2, what will happen, student, with this BH2? This, what it can do? What it can do? It can react what mole molecule of propene. Okay, CH double bond, what will happen, student? CH2. So this hydrogen will be getting add to this. Okay, so what the product will be, resultant product will be, student? See, CH3 CH2 and what is there, student? Again what will be there? This CH3 CH2 and CH2. Okay, student, this is CH3 CH2. Okay, CH3 CH2. Yeah, here is CH2, one more is there, student, please don't get confused. Here is little mistake. CH3 CH2 and CH2, one hydrogen shifted here, so that is become CH2. This is 2 times because one molecule here, one molecule here, that is 2 times, and one hydrogen already gone, so it will be the only left BH. Again what you do is, student, again you add, that is CH3 CH2 double bond CH2. So what will, this hydrogen will be added to here. Okay, this is CH only. So what will the next product will be there, student? You see, This is the CH3, again CH2, CH2, and this is how many time? 3 time, and B. Okay, this is what is known as, student, trialkyl. This is known as trialkyl borane. Trialkyl borane. Now this borane is undergoing, that is hydrolysis with H2O2, in presence of base. Okay, so what it will give, student? It will give the direct reaction, like that you can write, that is a 3 molecule of CH3, CH2, CH2OH, plus it is BOH thrice. Okay, student. So this is our major, this is the major product. This reaction can be understood more easily, like that, student. You see, CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2 is there. So what we can do is, student, we are taking 3 mole and it is reacting with the BH3. Okay, so BH3 means 1 mole we have taken half mole. So what it will give, student, that is CH3, okay, CH2, CH2, and that is, this is 3 times B, and if you are hydrolyzing, this is the NaOH. Now means H2O2. You are hydrolyzing with H2O2, student. H2O2. This is, we are taking hydrogen peroxide. So if you are taking H2O2, student, so what will be the product it will form? And along with that you are taking the base also. So that is, it will form, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, and OH. This is 3 mole is there. So 3 OH is gone. H2O2 is there, student. 3 molecule is gone. 3 molecule is gone. See, student, how we are going to write this H2O2? Little confusing, student. 1 second. See, here I am erasing, and then again I am trying to write this to make you understand. Okay. So how we are writing H2O2? We can write H2O2, student, that is OH and OH. We can write OH and OH. So if you take, student, 3 mole OH and OH, so this BOH thrice, BOH thrice is coming out. So how many 3 OH will be there here? So this will be 3 mole of alcohol. So this is our answer, student. This is our required answers. Okay, thank you so much for watching, friends.